Project 44 Movement Online Training. What is Project 44 Movement and how does it transform supply chain visibility? Project 44 Movement is a platform offered by Project 44 that enhances supply chain visibility by providing real-time, end-to-end tracking and insights into freight and shipment movements across various transportation modes. It's designed to help companies achieve greater transparency, efficiency, and predictability in their supply chain operations. Key features of Project 44 Movement: real-time tracking, monitors shipments across modes, example truckload, LTL, rail, ocean, air, and parcel, in real time. Uses advanced technologies like GPS, IoT, and integrations with carriers for live updates. Predictive insights. Leverages AI and machine learning to predict arrival times, ETA, potential delays, and disruptions. Helps businesses proactively address issues before they escalate. End-to-end visibility. Tracks the entire life cycle of shipments from origin to destination across all legs of transport. Integrates data from multiple sources, including carriers, third-party logistics, 3PL, providers, and enterprise systems. Collaboration tools. Facilitates communication and coordination between shippers, carriers, and customers to streamline operations. Provides unified dashboards and analytics for stakeholders. Compliance and documentation. Ensures seamless sharing of required shipping documents and compliance details. Tracks temperature-sensitive or regulated goods, ensuring standards are met. Integration capabilities. Connects with existing transportation management systems, TMS, enterprise resource planning, ERP, platforms, and warehouse management systems, WMS, for a holistic view. How Project 44 Movement transforms supply chain visibility. Enhanced decision-making. By delivering actionable insights, companies can make data-driven decisions, optimize routes, and reduce costs. Improved customer satisfaction. Real-time updates allow businesses to keep customers informed and provide accurate delivery timelines. Reduced operational inefficiencies. Automates manual tracking processes, reducing errors and freeing up resources for strategic activities. Proactive risk management. Identifies potential disruptions, example weather, traffic, or customs delays, early and provides alternative solutions. Sustainability. Optimizes routes and reduces idle times, contributing to lower fuel consumption and carbon emissions. Scalability. Designed to grow with the needs of businesses, from small-scale operations to global supply chains. How to integrate Project 44 with your existing systems and platforms. Integrating Project 44 with your existing systems and platforms involves connecting its advanced logistics and visibility platform with your current supply chain tools. Here's a general step-by-step guide to successfully achieve this integration. 1. Understand your integration needs. Define goals. Identify the specific use cases such as real-time visibility, predictive ETAs, or shipment tracking. Assess current systems. Evaluate the existing platforms to integrate with Project 44, such as TMS, Transportation Management System, ERP, Enterprise Resource Planning, WMS, Warehouse Management System or CRM. To set up access to Project44. Obtain API credentials. Contact Project44 to get access to their API documentation and credentials. Familiarize with API docs. Review the available API endpoints for tracking, document management, shipment scheduling, and analytics. 3. Select an integration approach. API integration. Directly connect Project44 APIs to your system for custom integration. Pre-built connectors. Use pre-built connectors provided by Project44 for common platforms like SAP, Oracle, or Microsoft Dynamics. Middleware tools. Employ middleware or IPaaS, integration platform as a service, tools like Dell Boomi, MuleSoft, or Informatica for seamless integration. 4. Design the integration workflow. Identify data flow. Define what data needs to flow between Project44 and your systems. Example, shipment status, ETAs, carrier information. Map fields. Map data fields between Project44 and your systems to ensure compatibility. Determine triggers. Set triggers for when data updates or actions are pushed/pulled. Example, new shipment creation. 5. Develop and test the integration. API configuration. Develop custom API calls or scripts to connect Project44 endpoints with your platform. Sandbox testing. Test the integration in a sandbox environment to identify and fix any issues. Error handling. Implement error handling mechanisms for data sync failures. 6. Ensure security and compliance. Secure API access. Use OAuth 2.0 or API keys for authentication. Data privacy compliance. Ensure compliance with regulations like GDPR, CCPA, or industry-specific standards. 7. Monitor and optimize integration. Set up monitoring. Use Project44's monitoring tools or your system's monitoring features to track the integration's performance. Collect feedback. Gather feedback from end users to identify areas for improvement. Optimize performance. Fine-tune API calls and data syncing frequency to avoid system overloads. 8. Leverage Project44 support and resources. Customer support. Contact Project44's support team for troubleshooting and best practices. Partner network. Explore Project44's partner ecosystem for additional integration services. 9. Roll out in phases. Pilot integration. Begin with a small-scale implementation to test functionality. Full deployment. Scale the integration to cover all necessary processes after successful testing. What are the key features and capabilities of Project44 Movement? Project44 Movement is a leading logistics and supply chain visibility platform that helps companies optimize their operations by providing real-time insights into shipments and transportation networks. Its key features and capabilities include 1. Real-time shipment visibility. Tracks shipments across various modes of transport, including truckload, less than truckload, LTL, rail, ocean, air, and parcel. Provides updates on shipment status, location, estimated time of arrival, ETA, and potential delays. 2. Multimodal coverage. Offers a single platform to manage and monitor shipments across different transportation modes, enabling seamless visibility for complex supply chains. 3. Predictive analytics leverages machine learning and AI to provide predictive ETAs, allowing users to anticipate delays and take proactive measures. Helps identify patterns and trends to improve route optimization and logistics planning. 4. Advanced API integration easily integrates with transportation management systems, TMS, enterprise resource planning, ERP, software, and warehouse management systems, WMS. Enables real-time data sharing and communication between shippers, carriers, and customers. 5. Exception management alerts users to potential disruptions or anomalies in the supply chain, such as delays, route deviations, or customs issues. Provides tools for quick resolution and collaboration among stakeholders. 6. Customer experience enhancements allows shippers to provide end customers with real-time updates on shipment status through branded tracking pages and notifications. Improves transparency and builds trust with customers. 7. Global network access to an extensive network of carriers, logistics providers, and shipping companies worldwide. Facilitates cross-border and international shipment visibility. 8. Data quality and accuracy utilizes advanced data validation techniques to ensure reliable and consistent information across the supply chain. Reduces errors and increases confidence in operational decisions. 9. Sustainability insights tracks and reports carbon emissions for shipments to help companies meet sustainability goals. Enables eco-friendly decision-making by optimizing routes and transportation modes. 10. Comprehensive reporting and analytics offers dashboards and detailed reports to monitor performance metrics, such as delivery times, carrier performance, and on-time delivery rates. Helps identify areas for cost reduction and process improvements. 11. Collaboration tools facilitates communication between stakeholders, including carriers, freight forwarders, and customers, through a unified platform. Enhances coordination for smooth supply chain operations. How does Project 44 ensure real-time visibility across all modes of transport? Project 44 ensures real-time visibility across all modes of transport through a combination of cutting-edge technology, integrations, and partnerships. Here's how it achieves this. 1. Comprehensive data network. Carrier integrations. Project 44 connects directly to a vast network of global carriers, including trucking, rail, ocean, air freight, and parcel providers, enabling real-time access to shipment data. API connectivity. The platform leverages API-based integrations to gather data directly from carrier systems, ensuring up-to-date and accurate information. Telematics integration. Integration with telematics devices on trucks and other vehicles provides granular real-time location data and status updates. 2. Advanced IoT and GPS tracking. IoT sensors. The platform supports IoT devices that provide environmental data, example temperature, humidity, and geolocation information, critical for sensitive shipments. GPS tracking. Real-time GPS data from carrier vehicles allows constant monitoring of shipment locations. 3. Multimodal visibility. The platform supports end-to-end visibility across all modes of transport, including road, rail, ocean, and air. It unifies data from different transport modes into a single, cohesive dashboard, providing a complete view of the shipment journey. 4. Predictive analytics. AI and machine learning. Project 44 uses AI ML to predict estimated times of arrival, ETAs, by analyzing real-time data and historical trends. Disruption alerts. The platform detects potential disruptions, example weather, traffic, port delays, and provides proactive alerts to stakeholders. 5. Data quality and standardization. The platform ensures that data from carriers and third-party systems are standardized and cleansed, making it actionable and easy to interpret. Global compliance. Project 44 adheres to local and international data regulations, ensuring seamless cross-border visibility. 6. Collaboration tools. Stakeholders, including shippers, carriers, and logistics providers, can collaborate through the platform in real time. Visibility extends to customers, allowing them to track shipments through branded portals or integrations. 7. Cloud-based platform. Project 44's cloud-native architecture ensures scalability and quick deployment across global supply chains. It integrates with TMS, Transportation Management Systems, ERP, and other enterprise systems, creating a unified workflow. 8. Partnerships and expansions. Continuous expansion of carrier networks and partnerships with logistics providers ensures comprehensive coverage across regions and transport modes. Partnerships with third-party platforms and data aggregators add depth to its visibility capabilities. How to leverage Project 44 for predictive analytics in supply chain operations? Leveraging Project 44 for predictive analytics in supply chain operations involves using its advanced data connectivity and visibility platform to gain real-time insights and forecast future trends. Here's a step-by-step approach to maximize its capabilities. 1. Utilize real-time data visibility. Objective: ensure accurate and real-time tracking of shipments across all modes of transportation. Steps: integrate Project 44 APIs into your Transportation Management System, TMS, or Enterprise Resource Planning, ERP. Enable end-to-end visibility by tracking shipments, inventory levels, and delivery milestones. Outcome: improved operational awareness and reduced blind spots in the supply chain. 2. Implement predictive ETA capabilities. Objective: use predictive analytics to estimate delivery times more accurately. Steps: use Project 44's machine learning algorithms that analyze historical and real-time traffic, weather, and route data. Set up alerts for delays and deviations. Outcome: better customer communication and fewer disruptions due to inaccurate delivery schedules. 3. Enhance demand forecasting. Objective: predict future demand trends by analyzing historical shipment data and external variables. Steps: aggregate shipment and market data using Project 44's visibility tools. Use the insights to identify seasonal trends, demand spikes, and potential bottlenecks. Outcome: align inventory levels with predicted demand, reducing stockouts and overstocking. 4. Optimize route and carrier selection. Objective: leverage predictive analytics to choose the most efficient routes and carriers. Steps: analyze carrier performance metrics, route efficiency, and cost effectiveness using Project44's historical data. Use route optimization tools to predict the best paths considering traffic and environmental factors. Outcome: reduce transportation costs and faster delivery times. 5. Predictive risk management. Objective: anticipate risks such as weather disruptions, geopolitical issues, or carrier delays. Steps: monitor Project44's risk indicators, including weather alerts and regulatory updates. Use predictive models to simulate what-if scenarios for potential disruptions. Outcome: proactive risk mitigation and contingency planning. What are the best practices for onboarding carriers and partners in Project44? Onboarding carriers and partners in Project44 effectively ensures smooth integration, consistent data quality, and successful collaboration. Here are the best practices for carrier and partner onboarding in Project44. 1. Pre-onboarding preparation. Define goals and expectations, clearly articulate the scope of the partnership, expected data sharing, and performance metrics. Evaluate compatibility. Ensure that carriers and partners meet the technical and operational requirements of Project44. Gather necessary documentation. Collect details like carrier SCAC codes, APIs, and system integration capabilities. 2. Effective communication. Educate stakeholders. Provide carriers and partners with an overview of Project44's benefits and how it aligns with their goals. Use a collaborative approach. Involve carriers early in the process to address potential challenges proactively. Dedicated support team. Assign a dedicated point of contact for onboarding to maintain consistent communication. 3. Streamlined integration process. Leverage API integration. Use Project44's robust APIs for real-time data sharing to ensure seamless connectivity. Conduct compatibility testing. Test system compatibility and data flow to prevent technical issues post-launch. Provide detailed documentation. Share clear integration guides, API documentation, and troubleshooting resources. 4. Data standardization. Ensure data accuracy. Validate that carrier data aligns with Project44's format and quality standards. Encourage ADI API compliance. Use ADI, electronic data interchange, or API integration to standardize data exchange. Define data fields. Ensure consistent mapping of key data points like shipment status, delivery times, and geolocation data. 5. Training and enablement. Provide training. Offer training sessions to carriers on how to use Project44's platform, dashboards, and features. Onboarding portal. Use Project44's self-service onboarding portal to guide carriers through the process. Offer tutorials and demos. Provide resources like videos, webinars, and FAQs for independent learning. 6. Monitor performance during and after onboarding. Pilot testing. Start with a pilot phase to monitor system performance and identify areas for improvement. Track KPIs. Measure key performance indicators, example data latency, visibility coverage, to evaluate onboarding success. Collect feedback. Solicit feedback from carriers to refine and optimize the onboarding process. 7. Ensure compliance and security. Establish data privacy standards. Ensure compliance with global regulations such as GDPR or CCPA. Monitor security protocols. Verify that all data exchange complies with Project44's security standards. 8. Continuous improvement. Regular updates. Keep carriers informed about platform updates, new features, and best practices. Proactive support. Provide ongoing technical support to address post-onboarding challenges. Performance reviews. Periodically review carrier performance and provide actionable insights for improvement. How to optimize freight tracking and delivery accuracy using Project44. Optimizing freight tracking and delivery accuracy using Project44 involves leveraging its advanced real-time visibility platform and features that integrate seamlessly into supply chain workflows. Here's a step-by-step guide to achieving this. 1. Integrate Project44 with existing systems. API connectivity. Utilize Project44's APIs to integrate with your Transportation Management System, TMS, Enterprise Resource Planning, ERP, or Warehouse Management Systems, WMS. Carrier onboarding. Ensure all carriers are on board to Project44's network, as the platform supports connections with thousands of carriers globally. 2. Enable real-time shipment tracking. Automated data collection. Use Project44's real-time data capture from GPS devices, ELDs, electronic logging devices, and telematics to monitor shipments. Geofencing. Set up geofencing to get updates when a shipment enters or exits specific locations, like warehouse or customer delivery sites. ETA predictions. Leverage Project44's predictive analytics to obtain accurate ETAs for shipments. 3. Improve data accuracy and delivery insights. Data validation. Use Project44's validation mechanisms to ensure clean and accurate shipment data across carriers and routes. Root cause analysis. Analyze historical shipment data to identify common causes of delays or errors, enabling proactive mitigation strategies. Multimodal tracking. If your shipments use multiple transport modes, truck, rail, sea, air, Project44 ensures seamless visibility across all. 4. Enhance customer communication. Customer portals. Provide customers access to Project44-powered tracking portals or real-time shipment updates via email or SMS notifications. Proactive alerts. Set up alerts for delays or deviations from planned routes, keeping stakeholders informed and enabling quick corrective action. 5. Optimize routes and carrier performance. Dynamic rerouting. Use Project44's analytics to recommend optimal routes based on real-time traffic, weather conditions, or carrier performance data. Carrier scorecards. Evaluate carrier performance using Project44's insights into on-time delivery rates and adherence to service-level agreements, SLAs. 6. Leverage analytics and reporting. KPI monitoring. Track key metrics like on-time performance, dwell time, and delivery accuracy. Dashboard insights. Use Project44's dashboards to visualize trends and identify bottlenecks in the freight movement process. Forecasting. Utilize data from Project 44 to forecast shipment demands and align resources accordingly. Why choose Proexcellency for Project 44 Movement online training? Choosing Proexcellency for Project 44 Movement online training can be beneficial for several reasons. Here are some key highlights that make Proexcellency a strong option. 1. Expert trainers. Proexcellency often employs trainers with extensive knowledge of Project 44 movement and real-world logistics and supply chain expertise. Trainers provide practical insights into the platform's functionality and integration capabilities. 2. Comprehensive course content. Their courses usually cover all aspects of Project 44, such as real-time visibility into shipments, integration with ERPs, TMS, and other supply chain systems, analytics and performance metrics for supply chain optimization. They may also include case studies and hands-on sessions for better understanding. 3. Flexibility. Proexcellency offers online training, which provides flexibility in learning schedules and allows participants to learn at their convenience. Suitable for working professionals or businesses with global teams. 4. Affordable pricing. The training programs are typically cost-effective compared to other options while delivering quality content and support. 5. Certification. Upon completion of the course, participants may receive a certification that enhances their credibility in using Project 44 and boosts career prospects. 6. Live interactive sessions. Their training often includes live sessions that allow learners to interact directly with trainers, ask questions, and clarify doubts in real time. 7. Real-world use cases. The training may emphasize real-world applications, showcasing how Project 44 movement helps businesses streamline operations, enhance visibility, and improve decision-making. 8. Post-training support. Proexcellency may offer post-training support, including assistance with queries or challenges encountered while using Project 44 movement. 9. Tailored training. If you're part of an organization, Proexcellency might offer customized training modules tailored to your industry or business needs. Thank you.